This is the only reason that Mino's even missing in the first place. Now we finally have an opportunity to get him back. And what, you don't want to because of her? Because deep down inside you still care. Just admit it. Don't lie to me! Don't lie to me!
Let's go. Stop, Newt. Lady. Really gotta go. Come on.
We're gonna take this.
Gotta get you up now.
Take it! Please, Tom.
Dear Thomas, this is the first letter I can remember writing. Obviously, I don't know if I wrote any before the maze. But even if it's not my first, it's likely to be my last. I want you to know that I'm not scared.